Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Maybe here again with another natural hair care tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I take care of my protective style in between my wash day. So this time I'm going to be using aloe vera to moisturize my protective style, this cornrow that I have on. I'm not ready to wash my hair. I plan on carrying this cornrow for the next 2 or 3 weeks before I go ahead to wash my hair. But before that, I like to also care for my hair in between. So this time I'm going to be using aloe vera to just moisturize my hair and get it looking juicy, just like you can see, and also wash it and all that good stuff and moisturize it. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you everything I'm going to be doing in order to achieve that. So if you'd like to know how you can also care for your protective style in between wash day such that your hair stays moisturized and it just looks super duper juicy, just like what you can see right here, then you definitely need to keep watching. Okay guys, it's time to get started, and this time I'm starting off with making my aloe vera juice. What I'm doing now is I'm just washing my aloe vera plants. By now you guys should have seen a video where I shared everything about this aloe vera plant in particular, this one I'm working with. And yeah, if you need to know everything about how I got it, how you can grow it in your home and all that good stuff, I'm going to link the video somewhere on this screen so you can go ahead and get yourself up to date with all that information. But this is me here just trying to scrape off some of the gel from these very little aloe vera plants I have here. My plant seller gave me a spare one, and the spare one was quite small, so that was what gave me that very little amount of juice. And this is the main one here. It's super duper juicy. I'm sure you guys can tell already. I already shared this plant in particular with you guys at the beginning, and I got a lot of comments from you guys saying that, oh my god, it's so juicy, it's so thick and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm so happy about this particular species of aloe vera. What I'm doing now is I'm just cutting off the edges just to get rid of those sharp ends, and I'm splitting what I have here into two and splitting it into halves now just to scoop out the juice. And this is me here just struggling to show off and show you guys how much gel we have going on in this particular aloe vera that I'm working with. You guys should just look at how juicy and just amazing this particular aloe vera is. Like I shared in my previous video, if you've not seen that video as well, I'm going to link it somewhere on this screen. If you want to get aloe vera for your hair or your skin or any other thing you want to use your aloe vera for, depending on you, this is the species you should go for. This particular one has a lot of juice in it, and it's just going to give you amazing results. So yeah, that's just by the way. I just thought to share that particular tip with you guys. So now that I'm just going ahead to scoop and scoop and scoop, once I'm done scooping, some people usually say, oh, you should just leave your aloe vera in your strainer and all the juice is just going to come out at the other end. But I found that that doesn't work for me. I like to go ahead just an extra step just to blend the aloe vera juice and then strain it. I get more juice that way, and my aloe vera is smooth and just has a very nice jelly consistency. I don't know. I don't want to say that my own idea is the best, but whichever system works for you, the point is you want to get your aloe vera gel or your aloe vera juice. So just whatever works for you, just make sure that you're getting the juice that you need for your hair or any other thing you want to use your aloe vera juice for. So yeah, this is me just straining the aloe vera that I just blended, and yeah, I'm just struggling to get as much juice as I can get from my strainer. And yeah, this is what we have now. Up next, I'm going to show you guys how I go ahead to apply this to my hair. Look at how jelly and just stretchy and just gooey this aloe vera looks. It's so freaking amazing. So all I'm doing now is I'm just applying that aloe vera onto my cornrows, getting into my roots, my edges, just to keep everything moisturized. My hair is super duper dry, as you guys can see. I've not moisturized it ever since I made this particular cornrow. I made a cornrow about a week ago, and guys, when I tell you I've been so busy, I'm not even joking. It's been a hectic couple of weeks, and yeah, I was so happy to be able to moisturize my cornrows and just get my hair juicy and nice. What I'm doing now is I'm also moisturizing my tips. Your tips need love, your edges need love. Like, make sure that you're getting into every section of your hair, and I'm just soaking my edges in this aloe vera juice. This helps to keep my tips, my the tips of my hair now, it helps to keep it super duper moisturized. So yeah, that's why I dipped it in the juice. And yeah, I'm also now sorry, applying the aloe vera gel onto my edges, onto my roots, and some of it got on my face. But because I mean aloe vera is great for your skin as well, it's not a problem, right? It's fine by me. So yeah, not to worry if aloe vera gets on your skin, except you're allergic. You know, I usually advise you guys to do a patch test on your skin to be sure you're not allergic to aloe vera. If you're not allergic, don't worry if some of the aloe vera juice gets on your skin. It's also going to get your skin looking very juicy and supple and nice. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just going to massage the aloe vera into my strands, into my tips, into my roots, just as you guys can see. Because I'm just a playful fellow, I decided to bathe myself in my aloe vera gel. So yeah, that's why we had that situation that just took place a couple of seconds ago. So yeah, all I'm doing now is just massaging all that product into my strands, and I'm just scooping to the last bit, right? Scooping all that gel from that bowl that I usually use to mix my aloe vera gel. And yeah, this is what we have here. My hair is feeling super duper moisturized, just like I want it to feel. And I'm just going to go ahead to leave this on my hair for a while, about 30-45 minutes, depending on how much time you have on your hands. You decide how long you want to leave your aloe vera gel on your hair. Some people say leave it overnight. That's fine as well. Like I said, depending on how much time you have on your hands. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cover up my hair with this, my shower cap. This is my beautiful Ankara shower cap. And I'm going to leave the aloe vera gel in my hair for about 45 minutes. Then I'll hop in the shower, take my bath, and wash my hair, and then come back to show you guys how I'll be moisturizing my hair for the next week to retain moisture in my strands and in my cornrows. Like I always say, don't just carry dry cornrow under your wig and say you're doing protective styling. You also need to show your protective styles a lot of love to get the amount of inches that you want, right? I know you want to grow your hair. I know you want to, make your hair stronger and all of that. You also need to care for your cornrow or whatever you have going on underneath your wig. So what I went in with now is my Mielle Hawaiian Ginger Leave-In Conditioner. I'm also going to be applying some of this, my Blue Magic Grease, my Virgin Hair Fertilizer, as well as my Jamaican Black Castor Oil onto my roots. This is just to help to keep my roots very oiled and moisturized and just happy, because your roots doesn't like when it's dry and crusty, right? You need to make sure that your roots are very moist. And I'm just mixing the combination of those three products together, and I'm then going to go ahead to apply that onto the roots of my hair as well as my edges. This mix right here is amazing. I also have this other mix that I usually make for myself, right? If you want to see that mix, I'm going to I'm going to put the link to that particular video somewhere on this screen, so you can go ahead to check that out. That's the grease I usually use most of the time on my edges to grow my edges, and as you can see, my edges are doing amazing. If you also are in the phase where you're trying to grow your edges, that grease mix right there is going to do you a lot of good. So make sure you go ahead to check that video out once you're done watching this video. I'm also going to use my edge brush just to brush my edges together, just to make it look put together, so my edges just don't look scattered. There's no other reason why I'm brushing my edges. I just want my edges to look neat, and that's why I'm using this my edge brush, just to brush everything into place. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I really need your help in achieving that milestone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have questions, suggestions on the kind of videos you would like me to make, don't be shy. Go ahead and leave me comments down in the comment section. I'm always more than happy to respond to your questions, respond to your suggestions to me, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me. All I'm going to do now is I'm just going to, weave this hair and tuck the ends of my hair in to just protect them from wears and tears and all of that. Once that is done, that's the end of my moisturization routine for my protective style for this particular week. That's pretty much it again for this video. If you enjoyed watching, like I said earlier, please go ahead to give the video a big fat thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me as usual, and I can't wait to see you guys in another one. Love you guys so much. Bye.